From gaming legends to music giants, kids entertainers to cultural icons, these are the top 20 YouTube creators taking over 2025. Let's count them down from number 20 all the way to number 1. At number 20, it's Panda Boy, the Italian street interview sensation with 59 million subscribers. His light-hearted global travel content has captured audiences worldwide. Coming in at 19, 5-Minute Crafts, the life hack and DIY giant. With over 81 million subscribers, this channel turns everyday problems into creative solutions. At 18, Alan's Universe. With 88 million subscribers, this entertainment channel blends skits, reactions, and light-hearted pranks. 17th place goes to Zee TV, the Hindi-language entertainment hub with nearly 89 million subscribers, a cornerstone of Indian television brought to YouTube. Number 16, Choo Choo TV Nursery Rhymes. With 95 million subscribers, this channel delights kids with vibrant sing-alongs and educational animations. At 15, Gimpuro, or Kimpro, dominates Korean language entertainment with 95.7 million subscribers, offering comedy and challenges that resonate far beyond South Korea. 14th place is Blackpink, the global K-pop sensation. With 96 million subscribers, their music videos and performances keep Blinks engaged worldwide. Lucky number 13 is Sony SAB, a Hindi-language comedy and drama channel with 100 million subscribers. Family-friendly storytelling keeps audiences entertained. At 12, Goldmines, home to blockbuster Hindi films and dubbed movies. With 104 million subscribers, it's a go-to destination for cinema fans. Number 11, WWE, the world's premier wrestling entertainment brand. With 108 million subscribers, delivering thrilling matches and unforgettable moments. Breaking into the top 10, PewDiePie, the YouTube legend with 110 million subscribers. Known for gaming, memes, and commentary, he remains iconic. 9th place is Zee Music Company, India's musical powerhouse. With 116 million subscribers, serving up Bollywood hits and music videos watched daily. At number 8, the Stokes Twins, Alan and Alex. With 118 million subscribers, this comedy duo entertains with pranks and high-energy skits. 7th place is Like Nastia, the cheerful kids creator with 126 million subscribers. Her playful, educational adventures delight young fans worldwide. At 6, Kids Diana Show. With 132 million subscribers, Diana's colorful, imaginative videos make her one of the most beloved kids creators. Number 5, Vlad and Nikki, brothers who turn everyday play into epic adventures. With 137 million subscribers, they're a hit with families everywhere. In 4th place, Set India, Sony's entertainment television channel with 183 million subscribers. From dramas to comedy, it's a cultural touchstone. Number 3, Cocomelon, the ultimate kids channel with 191 million subscribers. Its catchy songs and colorful animations are beloved worldwide. 2nd place is T-Series, India's music giant. With 290 million subscribers, it remains a global leader in music content and Bollywood hits. And at number 1, Mr. Beast. With a jaw-dropping 380 million subscribers and $85 million in 2025 earnings, he's the king of YouTube, famous for massive giveaways and philanthropy. These are the top 20 YouTube creators shaping the platform in 2025. Who's your favorite? Drop your pick in the comments, hit that like button, and subscribe for more creator countdowns. See you in the next one.